All right, recorded is rolling. It is Friday, January 20th. We've got club photos going on throughout today. So some of you might have photos, but this is a fourth period. So if you're with the club, I know some of you guys need to go when you need to go. There was a senior panoramic this morning. Seen that for the video record. It's processed by now though. Okay, and I'm gonna challenge you guys as spatial skills today. You guys need to practice spatial skills, think in 3 dimensions. This is what gonna have you guys build. You guys, here's our end goal going for this. You guys want one of these? Oh, flux capacitor. Back to 1955. That's what we're gonna be doing. So you guys each have this nice thick cardstock paper, right? You guys got that? And so first thing is hamburger fold. Boom, hamburger. No, some of you guys are making a quiz from yesterday. Everybody's working on this, so put points in the grade book for you guys too, for this activity. Right, next thing, we take this bottom corner and fold it up and make a 90-degree isosceles triangle. It technically doesn't matter which corner you do with this one because it's more of a measuring thing, but fold this way, that shape. There you go. Right. So we've made 2 folds so far. If you're up to there, then you're good. Just hang tight for a moment. If you're not, then we'll backtrack a little bit, show you guys everything we did. We started off the full page, did a hamburger fold. I took one of these corners and folded and made a 90-degree right triangle, isosceles. Okay, isosceles right triangle. Okay. Now the whole purpose of that fold was for what we're about to do. You guys see this rectangle up here? This rectangle? Right, so that's just an extra margin. We want to get rid of that. So I'm gonna fold this down, make a really good crease, and just tear it off. This paper tears really nice. This cardstock tears really nice. So just fold back and forth a few times. Hard to mess this up. Boom. All right, next thing we do, I'm gonna open this up and you should have a 2x1 rectangle. You guys got a 2x1 rectangle? 2x1 is the proportions, right? It's like 11 inches by 5.5 inches, 2x1 proportion. Okay, I'm gonna make a hot dog fold. Hot dog. Fold. This. Okay, then fold it this way. Secure. This way. This side. Here the soft board. Look at that. So this extra rectangle. Skip back. I do a hot dog fold. No, that's where I am right now. So a hot dog. All right. So you guys. Okay. getting there. So once you get the hot dog, now I'm going to take the top and bottom sides and fold each of those in to match that center crease that you just made. Everybody doing all right? Everybody just hot dog their hot dog. Right? It's good. Yeah, get this. Right, so let me backtrack a little bit in case you're about to catch up to this. Okay. At some point, you had a 2x1 proportion rectangle, which was not the original paper, but we tore off part of it. It's got a 2x1 rectangle. Okay, made a hot dog fold. Right, then unfold that, and then play out that crease. So top and bottom edges fold down to match that center crease. Okay, and that's the point everybody should be at right now. Okay, everybody's right there. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna fold this. No, there's already a center crease right here. Right, you guys see like a left panel and a right panel. It's that left and right. Okay. Well, let's make quarters. So I'm gonna fold the left side in, the left edge into that center crease, and the right edge also into that center crease. If you do that right, should be able to make an M shape. All right, everybody got the M? Looks like it. All right. Okay, so you guys see 4 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, actually, we want 8 eighths. So fold each of those panels in half. So the left edge to the quarter mark gives you the 8th mark. The left edge all the way over to the 3/4 mark on the other side will give you the 3/8 mark. And then symmetry, just do the same thing coming from the right side. So the right edge to the 3/4 mark gives you the 7/8 mark. And the right edge to the quarter side on the other, or the quarter mark on the other side gives you the 5/8 mark. So if you have all those, you should have 8 eighths. So if you did that right, you should be able to hold this like an accordion. Oh, look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Just right.
All right. Yeah, thanks. You're good. All right, you guys got 8 eighths. You guys want to catch up there? 8 eighths. Here it is. Right. All right, looking around, I think everybody's got 8/8. Looks like 8/8. It is drawing time. So I'm gonna put a few dots here. I'm gonna put one dot right at the very center of the whole thing. I see one dot right at the very center. Okay. Then go to the top edge and the bottom edge. A couple of dots there. So now I have a trio of dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna repeat that pattern at the 1/4 mark on the left side and also at the 3/4 mark on the right side. Now there are 9 dots. 9 dots. So what do I got? 9 dots. 3 dots at the 1/4. 3 dots at the 1/2, and 3 dots at the 3/4. Okay, so we're gonna play off those dots and draw some lines. This is the way I've been doing it today. Show you guys a pattern, and then you guys copy this. I see 2 diamonds side by side. Can you guys draw those 2 diamonds side by side? Okay. Another way to see this is that there are 3 parallel lines one way and 3 parallel lines the other way. I see 2 sets of parallel lines. Two diamonds side by side. I'm gonna add to this a bit. I'm gonna switch ink color. You don't have to switch ink color. Just to separate out the steps. Okay. And add some more lines that are parallel to the ones that are already there. So we have to draw some more lines that are parallel to the ones that are already there. Or another way to think about what I'm in the middle of doing right now is I'm drawing a pair of X's through these diamonds. So 1 X through each diamond. Bam. Or if you like, want to switch perspective a bit, I got 2 sets of 5 parallel lines. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that way. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that way. Alright, you guys' patterns are looking pretty good. Alright. Good, good. Right now, each of those lines we're gonna use to make a crease. Right, so we're about to do 10 creases. Make sure these 10 creases are really good creases that'll help the final product come together. Also, you might notice that the spacing between each pair of lines uh, is really close to matching the width of the ruler. So it's a fun coincidence that might help you out too. Might help to take a ruler or a straight edge and actually fold each of these over that ruler. Yeah. Bam. As there's one down, 9 to go. So 1, 2. Shows a really nice crease right there. 3. 4. 5. And so that's 5 one way. Right now I'm going to switch over to the other 5. 6. 7. Oh, show. 9. 10. Give you guys a minute to catch up to that. You got 5 one way, 5 the other way. Make sure those are really good creases. And you have all 10 of them. If you're missing a couple creases, this thing isn't gonna work too hot at the end. So you gotta have all 10 creases. Show press down really nice. 5 one way, 5 the other way. Well, you guys got all 10, you guys getting really close. All right, I think everybody's up to everybody up to speed, I think. All right. All right, so you guys remember a couple steps back there were these 8 panels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that? Well, it turns out we actually want 7. So I'm going to take one and only one of these panels. I'm going to fold it over and tear it off. And remember, only do this on one side, not both sides, only one side. Right. And tear off one of these panels. So now I've gone from 8 down to 7. So now I have 7 panels. All right, I think everybody's got 7 panels. All right, so toss this guy. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to wrap this around like a bracelet and tuck one end panel into the other end panel. It might be slightly different sizes. Yeah, looks like the size is a little bit smaller than this one, so I'll tuck the small one into the big one. If they're equal, then just pick one, tuck it into the other. Get one that's slightly smaller than the other, then tuck that one into the slightly larger one. Bam. And then you should be able to prop it up. It should either look like a triangle or a hexagon, so kind of looks hexagonal. One of those. So you strap it around like a bracelet, tuck one panel into the other panel. Ooh, all right. Okay, you guys are doing a good job. Good job. All right, guys got that? All right. Now as I rotate this thing around, you guys remember those parallel lines that you guys folded? Right, so you guys drew a pattern and then did 5 creases one way and then 5 the other way. Okay. Well, set up a bunch of diamond shapes. You guys can kind of see those diamond shapes as you rotate this thing. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is take top and bottom corners right here and push those in together like this. Okay. Now that only works on, well, here like it wouldn't work right here because there's no space for that to happen. Right here, bam, and pop those in just like that. So, then rotate this thing 120 degrees and do that again right here. And then rotate that again 120 degrees and right there. So as I'm rotating this thing around, and look, there's a bunch of hexagon faces. Ooh. Hexagon face. Looking around the room, but most of you guys are getting there. It's kind of what, or from this angle, it looks like. Okay. All right, so we're actually getting really close to the end product here. Let me give you guys a bit of a forewarning. So here's a really common mistake that I see that will mess everything up. So don't do what I'm about to do. Okay? You see like this diamond shape right here? See this diamond shape? If you see it like this, then reach inside and go. and pop it out. So you don't want it to do If it looks like that, they reach inside and go and pop it out. Okay, so you want this to be popped out. Okay, and that's true for the other two also. So all three of these diamond shapes on these sides, okay, make sure they're popped out. Okay, and make sure that continues to be the case through this next step, which is actually going to be the final step. Okay, this ready? Okay, so hexagon face right here, top and bottom corners. You guys got it? Top and bottom corners, and push those to meet together in the center of the ring. Center of the ring. Okay. Turn it 120 degrees. Same thing right here. Turn another 120 degrees. And the last one. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let me go back a step. Okay. So, so I'm just backtracking a little bit. You don't have to backtrack. Okay. But go all the way to the point where you tucked one end panel into the other end panel. Right? They get you like a bracelet looking shape. Okay? Then you punched in the top and bottom like this a little bit. Okay? And they gave you these 3 hexagon faces. Okay? Then you took the top and bottom of each hexagon and pushed them to meet in the middle of the ring. Middle of the ring. Okay? Oh, and if this happens right here, just reach aside, pop it out. Top, bottom, bing, bing, just like that. Okay. All right, now that you guys got this, let's give this thing a few rotations. You might have to work with your thumbs a little bit. If it wants to like pop out, just push it back in. There you go. Flexagon.
I have one in my mouth.
Oh yeah.